and Pusheen friends, look at the collection we have. How many Pusheens have we drawn together? Now, not all of these are on my YouTube or my keepdrawing.com. Some of these are only available in my live classes. So if you want to be a part of that, you need to join me at artwithalbright.com for some of our draw classes or our create classes. So let's see here, especially when the holidays are coming up, we have so many toys that we open and draw together. Okay, we open and draw whatever's inside as a surprise when we see it and draw it. Yes, you love those. And you love when we create our very own, let's see, we created our very own Bob Ross Pusheen. For real, we did. Oh my goodness. And we do student favorites. So you let me know what is your favorite Pusheen. And we will make sure to draw, okay? So I hope you were able to count how many Pusheens I just flashed across the screen. Oh my goodness, Pusheen and friends. Look at that, we have Pusheen and friends. So today we're going to be adding to our dinosaur collection. Yes, you love the dino collection. Now we are going to be doing the Flying Dinosaur, and forgive me, I just totally forgot what that is because I don't have you here to tell me. You would let me know, shout it out. What is it? What is this thing? Thank you. Today what you're going to need, if you're going to do this in color, grab some colors, markers, colored pencils, whatever you want. I outline Pusheen in the dark brown, and then I'm going to use the purple, different purples for the actual Pusheen. Are you ready? I'm going to be drawing in a blue pencil, just so you can see it on my screen because the lights with my pencil usually do damage. But I want you to draw in pencil first because we erase and we add different things, okay? So I like to cut mine out and make them little puppets. Yes, I love this, I love this, I love this. This is so much fun. I was inspired by some of these stickers that I got to do some dinosaurs. So if you have your supplies and you're ready, let's go. If you ever need to pause me, go ahead, pause, and you know, take your time. Let's have some fun. Do you have a smile on your face? Yes. Okay. So let's start right here with this ear. This ear is like we're going to start out with trying to make a letter A without putting that little bar across it, right? We're going to make a letter A. Ta-da! That's it. That's all you need to do. Now go across the head and add another letter A. I'm just going to call it a triangle. There you go. Try to make them the same size. If not, it's totally fine. Totally fine. It takes me a while to get used to doing the exact same size, okay? Even with eyeballs, when I'm drawing animals and stuff, I always have a hard time getting the left one and the right one the same, okay? So don't stress out. Just have some fun, okay? The more you practice, the better you will become, okay? You don't need to stress out about it. Now look at how this body comes out a little and then we wrap it around, okay? So let's just take a little at a time, come out and then start coming back in. Okay, there you go. You just curved it around. Not a problem. Don't stress about it. Just have some fun. Now let's put this wing right here. So bring this ear down a little for the head, just a little, and then we're going to put two lines showing where that wing is going to go. Now I apologize for my frog throat. It is fall, and you know what happens in the fall in Texas. Oh, the pollen is everywhere. Okay, I think trees are changing, everything's changing, and I have foster dogs, so we're outside all the time. So my throat is just a mess. Okay, you have your wing. Good. Now at the top, we're going to curve, 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 go down. Let's make this like a big fin, like we would be on a dolphin or something. That's what that reminds me of, is like a nice flipper on a turtle maybe. We do lots of animals. So I hope you're doing some of the animals in our series. Now watch what we go down. Come down past this wing. Do you see how I just lifted up my pencil and pulled it down? Okay, and we're gonna try to meet up down here. So curve this and bring it back around and touch. Okay, that might take you a try or two, so don't stress out. You have some fun. Keep a smile on your face. Keep a smile. Don't be angry like this guy. Keep a smile on your face. I pretend I'm always holding an ice cream cone. That makes me happy all the time. All the time, right? What makes you happy? Holding an ice cream cone, maybe? Oh, do you remember when we opened this toy? We opened this one and drew it. That was fun. I can smell hot chocolate chip cookies baking. Oh, that's so yummy. Now we did this one in class. This one I haven't made a video of because we did this one in class and this was a special. So you want to draw that and show me? That would be awesome. You can do it. You know how to draw Pusheen. You know how to draw Pusheen by now. All on your very own. Now we have one wing. Let's do the other wing. Now this one's smaller because it's further away, okay, and it's tucked behind the body. So we're going to come down just a little and we're going to put a line up and this line is going to go out. Okay, so far so good. You got that? Beautiful. Okay, now this one we're going to curve out. Okay, it's smaller than this one. So look at your other wing over there and then wrap it around and pull it back down to your line. Excellent. Look at you. You're a pro. Perfect. I love this. I love this. Now at the top up here, watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a little claw. So curve that, bring it back down. Okay, there's one. Let's overlap, curve, bring another down. And then there's 3 of these. So curve up and bring back down. You did it. You did it. Now let's do that over here. Let's go backwards though. Okay, we went toward the right. Let's go toward the left. We're going to do the same thing. Curve up and back down. Okay, touch this one, curve up and back down. Hit that pause if you need. Don't be in a hurry. This is supposed to be fun and enjoyable. You just take your time. Yay, we did it. 3 and 3, 6, good. Now a tail, we're gonna just come out and do a really soft triangle and pull it back down. Do you see how I just went around and down? Ta-da! You are awesome, look at you. Now the feet, they look like little letter M's. Do you see that? Can you see that M tucked in there? That's all we're gonna do. So let's mark where we want those M's. So we've got the 2 lines, and then let's go up, down, up, down. That's it. That was made way too easy. Let's come down with 2 lines again. We do it again. Ready? Up, down, sort of like a duck foot. That's how I kind of think of it. Now let's see here. We need a face. We need a face. We need those 3 stripes at the top. So I start in the middle, put a letter U there. Go to each side and add a letter U. Ta-da, 3 stripes. Now let's do the eye, come down from this ear, and I'm gonna go down a little further because I see that we have an eyebrow. Sometimes Pusheen, we don't add eyebrows. So we just have to make adjustments when we're drawing, okay? Whenever we have different creatures, whenever we have different fun, we just make it happen. Now this was a Funko Pop toy that we had. So we just have all kinds of different toys that we see and draw, and we have different ideas. So if you have an idea, send it to me. I'm at artwithalbright@gmail.com. There you go, gmail.com. And you can request that I do a video of your preference, okay? Do you have a dog you want me to draw? Do you have a cat you want me to draw? I have pet rats. We draw our rats all the time. They even show up in class. You can see my rats. You can see my Fosters. Make sure to put a reflective spot in the eyes. Okay, make a reflective spot up there. Now let's do our eyebrows. Come in on each one. In, that means go down. Let's see here. For the mouth, He is just having a grin. So let's put the letter J right in the middle. And then let's do a backwards J. So that way when we fill it in with the marker, that would be closed together just like that, okay? Now all that's left are whiskers. So 2 curves over here, that's a whisker, whisker, and 2 over here, whisker, whisker. Now you did it, you drew our Pusheen, or dinosaur Pusheen. Look at that, whew, that's it. I could name every dinosaur and I probably still won't remember this one's name. So you have to help me out. I'm gonna test my marker, make sure I grab the right ones. This one's pretty light. Do I wanna just go dark? No, that's really dark. So this is gonna be the feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and just color real dark with my dark purple. Now you don't have to have a purple flying dinosaur. You can do yours any color you want. Okay, you have that freedom. And you could even make like 5 or 6 of these. Wouldn't that be cool? Have your own collection. I love collections that I make myself. They're so much fun. So how are you doing? How are my students doing? I know Jonathan is doing this for sure. I know Madeline and Julia are going to be doing this for sure. Is Caitlin going to be doing this? What about Alan? And let's see, McKinley. Oh, McKinley, are you doing this? Oh, yes, that is awesome. I'm so excited when you guys draw with me. You have no idea. You have no idea. I love it. I love it. And Reagan, are you drawing with me today? What about Zoe? Zoe, I know we still have to draw your dog together. That is exciting. I have plans to draw your dog. Let's see here. Everybody's getting Pusheen. I'm just making nice smooth strokes down Pusheen to give it a clean body. Okay, I don't want a lot of scribbles. I don't want a lot of lines. I am avoiding the eyes, just because I want to make sure I don't mess up my reflective spot. Okay, I'm taking my time, doing a really good job. You guys can think about what other Pusheen you're going to do next. Are you going to do more Pusheens and add to your collection? I know Mr. Cooper likes to draw all the Pusheens on one paper and have a huge collection. So maybe a good idea that he had was put all the dinosaurs on one scene, create a whole scene of just dinosaurs. That is a cool idea. I love it. Have a fun little scene going on. That is cool. Is Zane drawing with you, Coop? That is super hilarious. You guys get to draw together. I love it. I love it. Let's see. I'm going to use my same purple and just color in these stripes just to make them a little darker. There we go. And then I'm going to take my dark brown. I use different brands. Arteza, Caliart, I know Hoo-Hoo. So I've got different types. I got my brush pen. I've got my bullet marker. Sometimes I use colored pencils, so just whatever you feel like using. There's no right or wrong on fun Pusheen art. Yeah, and we have some fun. So keep it up, do a good job. Make sure to keep your reflective spot. Keep your reflective spot. There we go. Sometimes I color it in on accident, or it's just, you know, the marker is too big. So then I just get my white paint pen and just put a dot in there. That's what I did on this one. So you'll see it's really pretty and white. So I just use my white paint pen. Let's see here, it's always sitting on my desk, my Posca paint pen. That one helps. That does help. Okay, let's see here. I'm making sure I get around everything. Coloring it all in. Oh, I gotta get my eyebrows. Woof. Get his eyebrows. What is he so angry about? He looks very angry. I hope he's not mad. I hope that's just him searching for his dinner. What do these things eat? That's a good question. I don't know. That's kind of crazy. Here we are. How'd you do? Did you like your dinosaur? Another dinosaur. Woo! You guys are awesome. Watch out. Watch out. We did it. And now I'm going to cut mine out because I love having a good collection. You can hear my scissors just chomping away at this paper. I love having a good collection. So I leave a little handle at the bottom so that when I come across and go, what do you say? I've got two. Now we got a whole family going on. And look, objects that are closer and larger. Really, they're almost the same size. Almost the same size. Well, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for drawing another Pusheen with me. I can't wait to draw with you again. Okay, guys, see you in the next class.